show the house. We're going to do a bay. Sorry, we're going to do shake. The very first bay that protrudes from the front. You know, I did this because of the toys. I used to teach computer science 5 through 12 in a different life, and I got a tape, it'll hang out for like 13 feet before it breaks. But yeah, I got about 14 here. Okay, and what we do is we count. You've got to reveal, at least on that one, of almost 7, and we'll measure a few of them because it'll vary. But that's 7. Okay, close enough to 7. So do a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 16. Okay. Okay. 25.
So the next thing here is doing some sort of end post on here, decorative.
Okay. Basically.
Just something regular.
Here? Or here.
You know, yeah.
Because they kind of put it in a funny place.
Right.
Well, that was me. I replaced it, but there wasn't a good way to attach it, so I put it on up one step and cantilevered over, but she doesn't really like that.
It doesn't look finished.
You're on code. And form follows function, I would say. But to say that what we need to do is knock a little hole, 4 foot, the 4 inch by 4 inch in your concrete, and put it in here. Mm-hmm. Run that strain line. And do you want us to do that? Mm-hmm. Okay, we can.
Yeah. We
can. Sure, we can.
Okay.
Yeah.
How much would you take out? I mean, of what's there now, or is it just a post and that's kind of it at the end here?
I'm gonna replace whatever you want me to. And
yeah,
here again,
I can get
that if
just your regular.
Get a 4 foot level and put on that thing, and if it lets me be plumb and attach, and I'll even shim a little so I don't have to do more than that. But you know, the hard part's gonna be digging that out because I need that to get down. Yeah. But I can dig out beside it because we have a point here where I can dig a hole here down, and then that will kind of avalanche over until I can get probably 12, 18, 24 inches. Wrap it in concrete so it doesn't move. And we will get rid of that one. And what I want to do is get it close so I can use these attach points for this here, and just run it up to, you want a little ball or a lion's head or
probably
a terrapin or whatever your school is. I don't know.
You never know.
But yeah.
I'm not sure, because what I'm looking at too is we're sitting there. We've had the woodpeckers get into that post. Yeah. And it was a baby downy woodpecker. He apparently decided that there was something in there. So we're looking at. So what I'm thinking.
Just on that side, I think.
Well, is it just on that side? I don't know if we need. Is that just wrapped around a structural?
It is. It's a 4x4 inside, and they wrap it to make it prettier.
Yeah.
But that's all. And so, we can put Bondo, make it disappear for 25 cents.
Okay, yeah, that's fine. Well, he can do that too. Okay. So anyway, okay. I'm probably going to want to keep the style that's in that post if we can do that. Yeah. So just you know, even if it just matches that and is that flat, you know, you see a lot with the copper things, but just, you know, just something like this is fine.
A little copper cap on the top.
Copper cap.
Sure, we can do that. Yeah, absolutely.
The door, I'm unsure right now whether I want to replace that door or just add a screen door.
All right, I'm going to ask a clarification. Screen or storm?
Oh, sorry, storm.
Okay. Storm. And most people, like I said, it's just, you know, a little word that might make the difference in it costing $20 an air go through, or you might want, for example, a full view Anderson or Pella for 100 to 200 or crazy hundreds. And I'll let you pick out. We install anything you want.
Yeah, and I'm already doing the research on that. Yeah. So.
And usually those installs are, you know, $100 to $150 as a gut. But I'm going to make a suggestion.
Okay.
And I'm going to let you tell me what you want, and I'm going to quote both of them because you're going to want me to quote both.
Okay.
That What I see is railing going beside a house, that wall there,
right.
which is, it's not necessary. It's fine that it's there. It's not a problem. But if I have to make a modification of suggestion, and it'll help this build as well, add 4 inches to the gutter top, that little piece shooting to the left at a 33 degree angle, so that the gutter actually goes not in front of the trim but in front of the siding. And take this piece, and this is off code, not that I'm gonna tell, but it's supposed to be a grippable at 3.5 inches. But like I said, I'm gonna put anything you want here because I'm not a code official. I don't care what you do. But if you do that, what you can do is terminate this on the trim. Start it here, that way it will be on the side. And the downside is that's not on the side, but if you do that, then we can actually dig a really good footing for that. And you know, that's just 2 ideas.
Okay.
And I'll let you pick whatever you want.
Well, I don't think I'd want the gutter off the trim. I think I'd rather have it on the, because then it's on the siding, especially if we replace that shake stuff, then it's going to look kind of
okay. I agree.
On the other side.
I agree. There's downsides to both. Yeah. And you know, you might have found the biggest part, but you know, here again, then with that said, we'll just drop your post here, remove this one, we'll put a baluster in here. And did you want a pair of them done the same way?
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay.
And that's really, I mean, we may end up also replacing the side door.
Yeah.
But okay. That's just, like I said, just depending on.
Can I ask you if you let me do one thing while we're here with ladders? Yes. We have little pieces of aluminum. They're thin. They're called flashing, and they help keep your house dry. And when I look up at shingles in your rear gable, if I see through it, that means that rain can come down between it.
Oh, right there at the peak.
Yeah. And, but,